Let's start by clicking Add Web Page and keep track of the Apple website. Starting now, Add Web Page. The screenshot will be captured right away, but it can take 1 or a few minutes to process and show up in your account. So in the meantime, let's add some more pages. Select multiple, and I've prepared a little list that I can paste in the form like this. Also capturing now. And let's tag these as desktop so that we can filter on that tag later. And as you can see, the first one has already finished, and you can click it to go to the overview page where all the thumbnails for this web page will show up. And if you click again, you'll get the full size screenshot. And we go back to the home page to see the others, and they will need a couple more minutes to finish, as multiple web pages that are added at the same time will automatically get a 1-minute interval in between to spread the traffic on the targeted sites. And while we wait, I'm going to add the same pages again, but now to capture them in mobile mode. And for this option, we need to click expert mode first for some extra options to appear on this page. We can now change the width for these pages to mobile. And also let's tag them with mobile. And in the meantime, we can have a look at the other view modes, like list view, to see some more details, like the frequency and the capture sizes. Domain view, where they are grouped by domain. And of course tags, to see the tags we created. We can click on the desktop to filter for those associated pages. And if we go back to tags, we can also check the mobile-sized screenshots. That's it. Thanks for watching.